In the last video, I told you how we're going to organize all our files and directories, and you should have your directories or folders already created. And and today we're going to do the main file.
Hey, in the last video, I told you to create the Main.tex file. If you are a Windows user, you might not have been able to do it. Don't worry, I will show you how to do it directly using the TexStudio. Or in your case, if you want to use Overleaf, you can do it as well there in Overleaf, okay?
I already have my TexStudio open, and I'm going to create a new file. Now it's going to come only empty, and we're going to create the first part of the file, which is the preamble. The first thing that we're going to do is first we're going to declare what kind of document it is. For the thesis, is the best way is to do it as a report. Here what we're telling it is that it's a report, and we can change here the size of the letters and the type of paper that we're going to use. We need to tell it in what kind of format the text should be, or all the characters. Then there are a couple of other packages that are recommended to use, and I just put it here. We will need the graphic, and for those of you that you might be doing some mathematical formulas, you need these two packages. We have written it, and we want to comment everything because we want to know what we're doing and why are we doing it. So packages for mathematical, and these are the standards. So this package is for graphics. You see that I started these ones with a percentage sign. That means that the computer does not interpret this, it doesn't really care, and these messages are usually for us. So we have this, we have that. Good. So we tell it which programs we need. You will need, depending on the language, I am assuming that you're going to write it in English, so you need the package for language. And you have to declare a couple of things for the title and for the first page. So first, the author. That's for the date of today. You can write the date if you want, but usually I use the one for today. This is all the information that we need to give the computer to interpret the data. We're going to save it because we don't want to lose it. And I told you that we're going to put it directly on the thesis, and the name that we're going to give it is Main. Then we need to start our real document. Until now, we are just creating kind of like the environment so that the computer can interpret the real text and the real document. This is the beginning of the document, and as you see, it has to have a begin and an end. So here we're going to write everything that we want to write. The first thing is, let us see if it's working, and we're going to do it first with our title. We have all the information. Let's see, make title. That's the command to make the title, and it will automatically take the information for the first page or title page and put it in one page. Good. Each system has a different way to create a PDF from this information. My computer uses the F5. This one has build and view, and it's the F5. So we build and review it, and here we have it. This is our document. We have our dummy thesis for prep-tober and the title and the name and the date. So that's for today. In the next video, I will show you how I'm connecting all the different chapters to the main document. Because one of the problems when you have a lot of text here, because sometimes the preamble, which is this section, gets pretty long and then you have to scroll all the time and it's not fun. So I will show you how we are going to add the chapters. Okay, see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell so you get the notifications for the next video. See you soon. Bye bye.